The DIQZUUX MDS47123619 washer door seal is a well-made replacement boot that restores a tight barrier between the door and drum on many front-load machines from major brands. Its high-density rubber construction feels sturdy yet flexible, so it compresses evenly around the opening and springs back without cracking or sagging over time. Once installed correctly, the gasket does an excellent job stopping water from seeping past the door, which helps protect flooring and reduces the chance of hidden moisture damage. The material is engineered to tolerate heavy use over thousands of wash cycles, so it is a sensible long-term fix compared with running a washer that has a worn or torn original seal. Installation takes some patience, but is manageable for a careful do-it-yourself owner, especially with the included spring tool that helps refit the retaining band evenly. Overall, this door seal offers a reliable fit, solid leak protection, and durable materials that bring an aging front loader back to clean and quiet operation.